my beautiful roses. Welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of beauty influencers telling you to buy 10-step skincare serums or gua sha stones that cost your entire allowance? Like, seriously? Real glow-ups don't need money or a credit card. They need this video. I'm about to show you awesome full-body glow-up hacks that'll transform your entire face, body, hair, nails, and even your posture in just 7 days. You're going to glow up so hard, you'll be unrecognizable, and mind you, these aren't some overcomplicated hacks or clickbait nonsense. These are real simple things you can start today to look and feel prettier than your throwbacks. So grab your favorite drink and your prettiest notebook, and let's glow up. And if you leave before number 7, the posture glow up, I'll personally fight you. Now, let's go. Number 1, lip glow up. Girl, we can't have your lips looking like the Sahara Desert, like super dry and crusty, cause that's not very cutesy. We're turning that sandpaper lips into silk soft plumps. And remember, we're not spending any money here. First tip, scrub your lips. We're going to be making a DIY sugar scrub that'll transform your lips. Grab a spoon of sugar, a drizzle of honey or olive oil, and mix. Now gently rub this on your lips for 30 seconds. Don't go scrubbing hard, or you'll irritate them. Rinse your lips with cool water and apply Vaseline or coconut oil to moisturize it. Pro tip, girls. Use a soft toothbrush for extra exfoliation while scrubbing. Do this 2 times a week, no more, no less. Overscrubbing will leave your lips damaged. Second tip, tint your lips. Want rosy pink plump lips? Like this, and this? Then make beetroot juice your BFF. Grate a beet, squeeze the juice out on a plate, and dab it on your lips. Leave it for 10 minutes before rinse. This gives you an instant natural pink lips, and if you don't have beetroot in your kitchen, use this method instead. Mix cinnamon and coconut oil and place it on your lips like a mask for a spicy, plumping gloss. Warning, this will tingle your lips, causing blood flow that'll plump your lips up. Third tip, stop licking your lips. Repeat after me. I will not lick my lips. Saliva dries them out faster than you can imagine. Instead of licking, hydrate them. Drink water and moisturize it with Vaseline or coconut oil. Also massage your lips daily for 1 minute to boost blood flow and get that natural pink tint. Number 2, eyebrows and lashes glow up. Okay, queens, let's talk about your framers, your brows and lashes. Cause honey, if you don't want to end up looking like Mona Lisa, you need a good frame. First tip, brush those brows like you mean it. Grab a spoolie or a clean toothbrush and brush them upward. Then apply Vaseline to get that instant laminated brow effect. It's absolute chef's kiss. Second tip, use castor oil. Raid your kitchen for castor oil. It's like fertilizer for your follicles. Dip a cotton swab or your finger and massage it into your brows every night. And you can also mix it with aloe vera gel for extra hydration. Now for your lashes. First tip, green tea. Boil green tea, let it cool, then dip a clean mascara wand or cotton bud and swipe it on your lash line. The caffeine in it boosts lashes and hair growth. And no, it won't make your eyes red and twitchy. And if you're impatient like me, add rosemary leaves to your green tea. Boil them and store in a mascara bottle. Keep it refrigerated always. This mixture will grow your lashes faster overnight. Second tip, DIY lash serum. If you want those luscious long lashes you see on Pinterest and TikTok, then you need to start using lash serum. Here's how to make one. Mix 1 teaspoon castor oil plus 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel or Vaseline with 2 drops of vitamin E. Store it in an old eyeliner bottle and apply every night. Your lashes will certainly thank you. Number 3, nose glow up. Okay, roses, I'm not going to talk about contouring or filters to make your nose appear smaller. No, I'm talking about nose yoga that'll snatch your nose and make people think you got a nose job. Now, don't come for me. This isn't magic, but consistency is key in achieving this. First tip, for a cute nose. Do this 3 steps nose exercise. Step 1, press your tongue firmly against the roof of your mouth. Step 2, use your index finger to gently push the tip of your nose upward. Step 3, hold for 10 seconds while breathing through your nose. make sure to do this 5 times a day. It's like Pilates, but for your nose. This tightens the muscles around your nose bridge and lifts the tip up. Second tip, for a smaller nose size. Grab a coconut oil or your moisturizer and use 2 fingers to massage the sides of your nose in an upward circular motion. Start from the nostrils to the bridge. Next, pinch the bridge gently and hold for 5 seconds. And lastly, press your fingertips between your eyebrows and glide outward toward your temples. Do this for 2 minutes. It drains fluid out and makes your nose look snatched and smaller. Third tip, for a goddess side profile. Want that Greek goddess side profile? Then take these 3 steps seriously. Step 1. Smile as wide as you can without opening your mouth and don't show your teeth. This naturally lifts your nose. Step 2. Hold the smile and use your finger to push the tip of your nose up slightly. Step 3. Hold for 10 seconds, release. Repeat 5 times every morning while brushing your teeth. And if your nose is looking red or swollen after this exercise, cool it down with ice. Take out an ice cube and glide it over your nose for 1 minute. It tightens your pores, reduces puffiness and redness. Number 4. Hair glow up. Alright, future Rapunzel, time to turn that frizz into fabulous, shiny, long silk hair. First tip, massage your scalp. Scalp massages aren't just for spa days, roses. Sit on your bed, press your fingertips, not nails, into your scalp and make little circles. Start at the front and work your way to the back. Do this for 5 minutes while watching my YouTube videos. This boosts blood flow and forces your hair follicles to grow. Pro tip, if you've got coconut oil or olive oil lying around, warm a teaspoon and massage it in for bonus hydration. Second tip, use rice water. Rice water is like liquid gold for your hair growth. If you're clueless on how to use it, follow this method. Wash half a cup of rice until clean, then soak it in water for 30 minutes, strain it, and let the water sit overnight. This process is called fermentation. After shampooing the next day, pour it over your hair, massage for 2 minutes, then rinse. Ancient Chinese women use this recipe, and just look at how long and shiny their hair is. It's packed with amino acids that thicken your strands and seal split ends. Third tip, change your pillowcase. Sleeping on cotton pillowcases damage hair follicles and strands. Ditch the cotton pillowcase. Use silk or satin to stop breakage and bedhead. Number 5, nails glow up. Alright, roses, here are some hacks to glow up your nails. First tip, brighten them. If you want a white, clear crystal nails like this and this, slice a lemon, rub the juicy side on your nails for 2 minutes. The vitamin C zaps dirt and stains from nail polish. Second tip, strengthen them. If you've got weak, bendy nails like this, here's how to fix it. Crush the garlic clove, mix it with warm coconut oil, and massage it into your nails. The keratin boosts your nails' crave. Rinse after 15 minutes. Number 6, skin glow up. This is my absolute favorite skin glow up hack ever, and I can't wait to share them. Let's do this. First tip, face mask. This mask is a 3-in-1 goodness. It's moisturizing, removes acne scars and blemishes, and also gives you fair glowing skin. And all at the cost of nothing. Mix turmeric, honey, and milk in a bowl and apply it on your face and neck for 15 minutes before washing off. It'll make your skin softer than a baby's bum. Use this mixture every day for faster results. Second tip, toothpaste pimple hack. If you have an uninvited pimple, dab on some toothpaste, white not gel, overnight. White toothpaste dries out acne faster. Third tip, ice your face. Use an ice cube on your face every morning. Ice reduces puffiness and skin pores. Number 7, posture glow up. Are you slouching like a sad potato? That's not cute. Good posture equals instant glow up. It makes you look taller, leaner, and like you actually pay attention to yourself. Here's how to fix your posture for free. No chiropractor needed. First tip, use the wall. This move is like yoga for your confidence. Press your back flat against a wall, arms in AW. Now, slide your arms up to a Y, then back down. Do this 10 times a day. It'll fix your back and make your back muscle straight. Second tip, stretch your neck. Your phone addiction is turning your neck into a pretzel. Fix it. Tilt your head left, right, forward, and back. Hold each stretch for 10 seconds. Pretend you're looking for something important in every direction. Then roll your neck slowly. Third tip, cat and cow stretch. Get on the floor all fours. Hands and knees, arch your back up in a cat pose, then dip it down in a cow pose. Breathe deep in and out. This stretch fixes slouching and doubles as core workout. Fourth tip, shoulder rolls. Your shoulders shouldn't look like they're holding the weight of the world. Do some shoulder rolling exercise, 20 rolls in the morning and another 20 before bed. Fifth tip, use your water. Use your water bottle as a reminder. Every time you take a sip of water, reset your posture. Shoulders back, chin up, then hydrate. This will help you get used to standing straight. And that's everything roses. My easy and free 7 days glow up tips. These tips are guaranteed to change your looks in just 7 days, if only you're consistent and true to it. So work hard and don't give up, cause your glow up is right around the corner. Which tip did you fall in love with? Comment below and let's chat. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a glow up video. See you next time, bestie.